A roof is one of the most important parts of the home. It protects you and your family from the elements and also preserves the value of your home and everything in it. If you're looking to replace your roofing system, it's important to do the proper research.
The roof is your most important item on the house due to it's protecting your entire home and your entire investment. If your roof is leaking, nobody really is going to care how nice your kitchen is or what else you have. So the integrity of the roof is really the structure of the house. The gutter system is also vital to the house because 60% of all water damage in the basement is due to faulty gutters.
Segelman Shaw installs long-lasting roofing systems all over the tri-state area. Whether you're looking for an entirely new roof or minor gutter replacements, Segelman Shaw is there for you.
Like everything else you buy, everything comes with a warranty, what we call out of the box. You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and buy a bundle of shingles, and it has a warranty from the manufacturer on the package. But the warranty is that the material won't fall apart or the material won't change its color in a certain amount of time. When we install a roof, we install a complete roofing system where the underlayments are majority of the protection of the home, whether it be for heavy rains in the summer or ice buildup in the wintertime. The warranties, again, if you buy a bag of shingles and have a handyman do it, your warranty is as good as you could see his taillights drive away. When you have a company installing it, and a company's been around as long as we have, and they're warrantying their work and they're warrantying their system that they've installed, that's a warranty you can fall back on. I've built a company on quality service and customer service, and that's why we chose GAF and we became GAF Master Elite Contractors. They give us training programs and continuing education. Every year my guys are recertified in the specifics of new items and new products that have come out in the industry.
The GAF products and some new technology that we've come out with is specifically called Timberline HDZ. What this new technology is that we take the shingle itself and we fuse the two layers together mechanically, which is unheard of in the industry of shingles. So we're the first to do that. What that does is it gives the common bond strength. And because of that strength, we are able to give the contractor a wider common bond area, or what we call the strike zone, that allows them to nail in that bigger area. So it gives the contractor and the homeowner peace of mind and better performance. The Master Elite program is only offered to 2% of the North American contractors in the country. So they're invited. You can't just say, hey, I want to be a Master Elite. You actually have to be in business for 7 years. You have to go through testing and training in order to become a Master Elite. You also have to go through the Better Business Bureau review, financial reviews, and we want to make sure that the Master Elites that we invite to the GAF family to be a Master Elite hit all the qualifications required.
From the materials to the contractor, a reputable company is the best way to replace your roof.
When you're looking for a contractor or for the materials that the contractor is going to use, you want to go with someone you can trust. That's why we have these programs set up, so when a homeowner is looking for the right contractor, they can go to GAF.com and look up in our contractor finder contractors that we've certified. They have ratings.
There's more engineering in a roof in today's roofing system than there ever was. And if you use the wrong components and mismatching items, the roof is not going to have its integrity. At Segelman Shaw Roofing and Siding, we've established ourselves as quality installers. We've then expanded from roofing into siding only because of the way it integrates into the home. We eventually became complete exterior contractors by adding decks to our package of work, and we've become more of Segelman Shaw Exteriors, where we're a complete exterior contractor.
If you're interested in a brand new roofing system, visit their website, letsroof.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.